the UK just went electric. No, not that kind of electric. Great Western Railway is launching the UK's first battery-powered passenger train. Yep, a Class 230 unit is hitting the Greenford branch line, replacing a diesel. It's launching January 31st. This train smashed records, going over 200 miles on a single charge. That's a game changer for non-electrified routes. Cheaper, cleaner, and ready to roll. This is how we hit net zero. Want to see all the details and the route map? Check the link in the comments for the full story now.